Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase in my knowledge. In today's lesson, we are learning about a writing procedure. Everyday procedures helps us to achieve goals by following a step-by-step guide on how to do something. For example, recipes, directions, experiments, board games, and much more. Let's work on procedure writing. My dear students, if when we are talking about the procedure writing, what things we have to do, a goal as a title, material, ingredients and equipments that are needed, numbered, clearly written step by step. Instructions, use words like first, then, now, last, finally. Optional, illustrations, photos, diagrams. Here are some suggestions. You can write on how to grow a plant, how to make sandwiches, how to brush my teeth, how to make a banana milkshake, and much more as you wish. Here is Josefa's experiment, how to grow a plant. Now he will tell you how to write a procedure writing more easily.
Step 1. Take a flower pot. Step 2. Put the soil. Add the seeds. Step 4. Water the seeds. Anti tight. Step 5. If put the flower pot in sunlight.
Now here we go. Now, my dear students, what does Josefa write about his experiment step by step? Now, I hope you can write any experiment, any procedure step by step, and you know very well how to write a procedure. My dear students, for more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.